Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to solve for perimeter and area of this right triangle that you see right over here. To solve for the perimeter, oh by the way, there's a catch. It says here the perimeter is 20.16 centimeters, which means to say yun na yung value ng perimeter of the triangle. And then we have two sides that are given the measure. This is 8.3 meters, the one you see here, and then the vertical line which is 5.5 centimeters. Now, how do we solve for the last one? There are two ways on how you can solve it. But to tell you the truth, you might get different answers because you will get approximate answers. But let's start off by doing the subtraction method. Ito po yung formula namin. So, remember 20.16, that is the perimeter. And then, remember the sum, whatever is given, and then the unknown, di ba? 5.5 plus 8.3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So you got 13.8 plus x is equivalent to 20.16. Then you subtract 20.16 minus 13.8. Then the value of x is 6.36 centimeters. So yun na yung value, 6.36. Okay? Now to solve for the area. To solve for the area of the triangle, we need to do base times height. Divide by 2. Diba? So saan galing yung base dito? Ang base ay dito, tsaka ito yung height. Okay? Or either way, it works. Then divide by 2. Okay? So you have 5.5 times 6.36. Then 6.36 divide by 2. They cancel and make it 5.5 times 3.18 na lang. And then once we solve for the answer, the area is 17.49 square centimeters. Okay? Kung sa titingin mo dito sa Microsoft Excel, ito yun, di ba? So, ito yung Pythagorean theorem ng right triangle. Kung wire ko ng Pythagorean theorem tayo, di ba remember ito yun? This is the one what we do know. Di ba Pythagorean theorem 5.5, then square it to give you 30.25. Tapos ito naman, I think what you call is that's the sum of B34 and C34 to give you this one, 69.34. Tapos ito yung square root. So these are the base measures. Then this one is squared. Okay. And then, this is what you do. So, diba remember, this is the leg B. Then, this one here that you see on the right, the 8.36, that's the hypotenuse. But all of this, they included the summation, which gives you the perimeter of 20.16. Okay? Now, let's say, for example, we do not know what the value of the left one is. But we know it's supposed to be 6.3 something. But according to what we got 6.36. So the answer that we got there was 6.3, alright? Kung wari ko naging 8.36 yan, that's supposed to be 6.36, okay? So 6.36 yan, or 6.3, okay? Because sometimes you may not get accurate answers because we always round it off. Unless you want a super duper accurate version, then you have to keep the radical in you. Okay? So ganito po yun, okay? And then, we take the square root of 836. Ano yung si 836? The 38.64. So, this one pertains to the, let's say, for example, kung nagbigay yung what you call this, yung, ano yun, yung square na yan. Okay. So, yan. Okay? And then, to solve for the perimeter. So, 20.1, and then the summation of this to give you this, di ba? Parang something like that. I think that's where you got your 36, this one. Okay? So, yun lang po. So, that's how you solve for the perimeter. Now, to solve for the area, ganito yun, di ba? The area is this. C35 plus times B35. Di ba? Which are these two. Base times height. And then divide by 2. So, tama. We still got the same answer. 17.49 or 17.325. Although we may get different answers, but yet, it's still a good answer. Okay? It's still correct. Okay? Never mind if I can't explain to you well about this one, pero leave a like if you do like this video. Cheers!